Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 3D character in different file format. Here is JPG, and here is PNG, and last is PSD for Photoshop user. Same files are here, PNG and JPG. So with different categories, first is first up and hand show, like walking from smartphone, attention, short attentions, and fist up front. Okay, so you see here the fist up, wow, you see the quality of the image. You can more better in Photoshop CC. Here is PSD file, drag to Photoshop. You see breed, you can change color, hair design, wow, depend your own choice. Pant, and here is tie, you can change tie color, and next is shirt. You see hat and shoes, you can change shoes color. Okay, and next is body. Background color, and here is body. Okay, that's mean, and these files are fully editable or full customizable. You can choose or you can change everything, like tie color, shirt color, shoes color, head, and everything. Next is hand show, like a old man. Depend your own choice. You can make a young man, old man. You can change everything, like hair color, breath, eyes, and the shirt color, shoes color. You see the same neck rose like African. Here is Englishman, like European. Old man. Okay, and same here is like your own choice. You can change everything, guys. Here is walking from smartphone, attention, change everything, and last is fist up. Okay, I hope these characters are useful for you. Subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. Allah Hafiz.